Fit like Abdi, Danny Boy here, and welcome back to another episode of Mars Horizon. Now, in between the last episode and this episode, I've been doing a few contract missions to keep money and science up, but we are now ready to do our the space telescope. Now, the Europeans and Japanese have already done it. And the Europeans have already researched Modular Space Station 2, which I'm currently in the process of doing just now. And they've also done the Grand Tour and are launching in 117 months. So we need to try and sort of beat them. I am doing a contract for Martian biological experiments. It is well on its way, but I want to get the telescope. So we'll get the space telescope. Plan mission. Right, so this thing, we'll give it an extra power. Why the hell not? So that's going to cost quite a fair bit to build, it looks like. Go to solar system. And it's going to be completed in 7 months. That's fine. Right, so we've still got next phase of Uranus flyby is in 2 months. And the Neptune flyby is in 17. So we shall continue on. Right, next phase, yes please. So this is the Uranus flyby we're currently doing. Active missions, go to missions. Right, we'll do this one first, right? Continue that. So this one is landing on Mars, so we can do some biological experiments. This one is basically going to get some more Mars readiness. So achieve Mars orbit 6, 7 and 3. Got you. So 12, 14 and 5. And we've got 8 power to spend. Now I was just going to say, holy crap, 6. That brings it out by a lot. So you need to do that twice, or this twice here, to get that back into line. Which is pretty phenomenal. So I could do one of these, and then 2 of these, and then one of those. Whoa. Hold on. Why is that bringing it out by 9? So one of these gets me 6, and then 2 of these brings it back. And that gets me 7, 2, and 2. And then we're going to need a lot of blues. But if I can get a lot of reds, I can get a lot of this. Okay, it means using up a crap ton of power though. Like a lot of power. So maybe I want to get a lot of these. Which I can sort of get, but that pushes it out by 1 and there's no way to bring it back. So we'll just have to play this by ear. Ooh, that's nice. That's extremely useful. Accept that. And accept that. So we've used like 5 power straight away. Now what else can we do? So we can do this, but it pushes it out by 6. And then we could maybe do this like a couple of times and then one of those. That brings me down to 1 power. Ooh, and it pushes it too far out actually. So let's not do that. Okay, I'm thinking maybe do one of these, right? And then one of them. That pushes it out a fair bit, actually. We need to keep it level though, so I can't do those, which sucks massively. This is a tricky one. I'll maybe just do this for the moment, and then do that. So that gets me to 8, 8 and something else. And then I need to do something else. I mean, possibly that to get me 4. And then I can use 3 and 2, and then another power later. Hopefully. Yeah, so 11, 10, and 12. So that's pretty decent, actually. And then I can focus on getting 3 more. I'll have to find out another way to get 3 more. Possibly this again. So... Oh no, it's been pushed out by 1 though. So this command here we can't really do at the moment. Okay, so use a power. Do that. And that gets us to 12, 10, and 0. Okay, and then I'll have to work super hard to get this at the end. Or possibly just do that. Yeah. Okay. Confirm. Confirm. And we've got a failure, which could be bad. Right, now I want some of these. And then can I burn off? I can't really burn off the blues for anything, so I don't want too much of them. So maybe take that down. I mean, the problem is this pushes that out by 6. So perhaps if I do something like that. No. That will not do. Maybe do this first. And then we need to try and claw it back somehow, so we could do... I don't have the power to do that though. So I'll maybe go with... 3 recharges, and then do 1 of them. Okay, I see where you're going with this. This might actually work. Alright, I've now got 3 power left, so I can do 2 of these. And... ooh, I don't get the... I mean, if I do 2 of these, right, and then 1 of them, and then 1 of them, that gets me at 13, 15, and 5. Okay, this is the one. 2 failures though, and we've had it. First one's a success. Second one is a success. And I've got enough power to resist the last one. Perform Mars descent. So 24, 4, and we've got heat to dissipate on this one. Right, so let's have a look. Perform Mars descent. Yes, please. Okay, so it's going to go up by +3. So burning off heat straight away is a useful thing. So we'll maybe want that and that, and then do this twice. Alright, and then the next one I'll do that. Okay, because it will go above 4. It'll go to something like 7, I would probably say. 7 will be our max limit on this one. Alright, I wanted that 2, so that gives me 5, right? And then accept that. Up by 3. Oh, only give me 4. And I want to use that, so I need this to go up to at least 5 at some point. So maybe do this again, right? And then do that. This again. And then do that. And that will get me my 5 that I need to burn off to get this 3 and 2. Okay, right, do that. Last one. We're all good. Very nice. Right. So that's me at 20. So burning off 3 of this ain't gonna be an issue. And then I can do what? That gets me 4. And that gets me 27 and 3. And then I need 2 more of that. And we are golden. Right, confirm that. There's the 5 heat gone. Very nice. So I've got plenty of power left to resist the last 2 if they fail. And accept. Right, so that was a relatively easy one. I managed to do it with all bonuses for each section of that mission. So that should be pretty good. There we go. We've dumped another piece of space junk on Mars. Basically turning Mars into a space landfill, which is nice. No global warming on Mars, so we're good. Right. Next thing we'll have to send up is a recycling bank. Right. So we're at 56% experience, 31% total. So our Mars readiness is now up to 31. That's good. Now I've got another mission that I can actually do. And I want to do something that gets us science. So that'll get us reputation. Well, it's only 964 science. It's a life support test. There is some stuff on Venus. There we go. 4,000 science. Because I want to get my second modular space station up and ready. Right, just build as is. Build the payload. Go to solar system. And go to missions. Right, so the next stage of our Uranus flyby is ready. Very nice. Ooh, it looks nice. Probably going to be dealing with cold, yep. Okay, right, continue that. Now, let's check this out. So I can get 3 of those, right? For a power. And then what? What do you want to do after that? Get 4 of them. And then maybe do 2 of these. Do I do 2 of these? Yeah, then my -2 power. Okay. So we're going to go down to -2. That's okay. Right. Accept. 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 There's the next one. And we've got our, we're going to lose our 2 heat here. Right, so that's okay. Now, I'd like to get some of this. That adds 1 heat, or do I do that? So that adds me 3 heat. And 3 of them and 1 of them brings it down to 2 again. So we get 8, 9, and 8. And then I can do something else, actually. Perhaps that. Right, so we're at 8, 9, and 11. Okay, we've still got plenty of turns. Right, that's all good. That's all good as well. And so is that. Right, so we've got our -2 again, which is fine. So do that, burn off 3. And then I would like quite a lot of this. So get me 5. And then get me another 5. That gets me up to 16. And then I need 6 and 5. So do that as well. Right, so I'm 3 heat, and I'm not... Yeah, okay. Go with that. Ooh, we even got a bonus, that's nice. And I got an extra comms there, which is nice. Right, heat is gonna go... Oh, we did it! We did it apart. Did I get the bonus for that? I don't even know. I have no idea. But it's done. Very nice. We're now up to 32%. Mars readiness. That's cool. Okay, so that one, the Uranus flyby, is done. Right, we can do another mission. Now, I was kind of waiting to do my Cavant one. I kind of do need money, though. I'm burning through a lot of money. So I want to find something that gives me money. Right, negative on those. Got nothing at Jupiter. Nothing there. There is something at Saturn. Yeah, it's all support sort of missions. And then there's our other satellite heading for Neptune. There's our other one that flew past. And it looks like the European Space Agency are close behind as well. Right, so the Moon one wasn't really a lucrative mission. Neither was the Venus one, was it? No. No lucrative missions. Go to Earth then. See if there's something we can do quickly. We'll maybe boost rep with NASA and do this. A life support test. Plan mission. Right, it's an experimental payload, so it's pretty crap. Straight off the bat. It's only 160k to build though. And it'll be ready soon. The Cavant 1 research was complete. So as soon as that other mission is done, this one, we're going to get straight on that. Reuse a shuttle. Reuse a shuttle to carry the mission payload. Wait a second. Design shuttle. Oh, what is this? This looks awesome. Right, lunar escape systems. Astronauts will survive a critical launch failure. That seems like a good idea, actually. Can I add another one? Whoa. Cancel. Onboard cameras, no support penalty for failing. Half the chance of critical event during launch. Half the chance of negative event during launch. Shock absorbers. Plus 5% payload. Nah, I'm gonna get the escape systems. Just because. So contractor. Yeah, I want this up. 55%. Select contractor. This is the Buran. So there we go. Confirm. Confirm. Build that vehicle. Go to solar system. So we're building our first space shuttle, which will be ready in 9 months. And then our granite will be complete. So wait, they were doing the grand tour, right? So we need to get onto the grand tour next month. New Uranus moons discovered. Your Uranus flyby mission has discovered no fewer than 10 new moons orbiting the gas giant Uranus. Mostly small and made up of water, ice and rock, the new satellites have all been named after Shakespearean characters, in keeping with the Uranus 5 previously known moons. Gain 750 science. Awesome. Right, so we are on the Granite. It's going to be complete, which is our space telescope. Next, design a vehicle. Reuse a design. Oh, I can't use my space shuttle for this. But I can reuse a design. Saturn. Saturn X is pretty reliable. Load that. CES Galactic, they're my favourite at the moment because they increase payload reliability. Right, so my Buran is going to be complete. Saturn X is going to be 10 months. And then we're going to be on to the next phase of the Neptune. Vesta Relativity Experiment. By measuring the time for a radio signal to reach Earth from the orbiter accompanying your Mars lander, Vesta Russian researchers have managed to prove that the Sun's gravitational field causes a delay. The result confirms predictions made by Einstein's theory of general relativity. Good for them. A funding review. Funding would be nice. Accept and continue. Right, Buran is going to be complete soon. Keep going. Keep going. There it is. Our Soviet space shuttle. Which is well cool, by the way. So its launch reliability is almost 78%, but I can get that up. Crew is only 1. I maybe should have added more crew to this. I'm pretty sure I did. What about Test Pilot 2? Parvik. Assign astronaut. Confirm. So she's only going up on her own. In fact, 88%. Yeah. Okay, right. Do this then. Training bonus per month plus 3%. Max training bonus is plus 15%. So 3 5s, 5 months to get an extra 15%. Okay, so 3, 6, 9, 15. Right, we're going in October. Select date, confirm mission. Do I have a spare mission slot? I do. I've got one available mission slot. The Grand Tour is almost done though. Oh, it's so close. 110 science, come on. Right, the Grand Tour research is complete. The ambitious mission will launch a long-range nuclear-powered probe with a carefully designed trajectory, allowing it to visit Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. After these encounters, the probe will continue on into interplanetary space, leaving the solar system entirely. Ah, it's cool. Milestones. Right, let's get on to this. 102 months for them. I think they're actually on their way. Grand Tour. Let's give it an extra power. Let's build it. Build payload. Go to solar system. Research. Buildings. Vehicles, maybe. I'm not sure what the Yenisei is used for. It's 8,000 research, which isn't a lot. And these are only 7,600, so I'm going to do them. Okay, we will do our Neptune flyby. First human in space retires. Anastasia has retired. Several news outlets have paid tribute to Anastasia Myatleva, the first ever human in space, who has now retired from space flight. I had all kinds of profound sentences lined up for a moment I made it into orbit, Anastasia Myatleva admitted in an interview, but in the end I just stared at the planet in silence. I've never seen anything more beautiful. Right, I think there's a few astronauts about to retire. I think I need a few of them to retire because I've got a lot of crap going on. Right, let's go to the next phase of the Neptune flyby. Humanity's time capsule. Your PR office has proposed sending up a time capsule in the form of a golden record with your upcoming mission, the Grand Tour. The phonography record would convey information about humanity to an intelligent extraterrestrial life that may discover it. The proposal would require the funding of a committee to decide the record's content. Fun proposal, why the hell not? Next mission phase, Neptune Flyby. Let's get going. Let's do this. So, we are still on for first, which is nice. This is going to be dealing with cold again, I would imagine. Oh, yep. It's just starting to freeze up. Right. Initiate data collection. Got it. Holy crap. 5 turns. I've got, 10. No, I've got 50 turns or something to do this. 26, 26, and 8. And I've got 9 power. Right, this will go up by -3 in the first turn, so... Okay. So really what I need is data, some of this and some of that. Gets it up to 3. And then that. And then that gets it up to 7. So we start with 10, 3, and 5. Let's go with that. Super reliable payload. This, you'd think over time, the amount of years it took to get to Neptune here, that it would be deteriorated in some way. But no, it's holding firm. Don't even have to worry about failures on this, although I'm guaranteed to get at least 1. Right, so we're down to -3 again, which is fine. But then I can do something like this. Yeah. And then do that, because we've got a lot of that. And I can even do something like that, because it's only got to go down to -3. Yeah, and then do this again, and then I'm going to do that again. No, I'm not. Or am I? Yeah. And then it'll remove it by 3. Okay, confirm commands. Accept. Accept. Right, it's now going to be super warm now, but we'll get the 3 taken off. And then heat reaches 0 at the end of the turn. Right, so we used up quite a lot of this, so I'd maybe like to do that now and gain us a slight bit of heat back. I can then do something like that. So we're at 19, 15, and 10. And then do this twice or something. And then we're almost there. And then I would like to do a recharge, because I've got a plan for the next one. Very nice. Right, accept that. Now this isn't the last turn, so I need to be mindful of the heat again. 3 heat, so we're down to 3. So maybe let's try and burn off some. I then just need some of that. 22, 27, and 11. Go for it. And we got a bonus. Very nice. Burn off another heat, please. There we go. Mission complete. Right, so we completed both the Uranus and Neptune flybys. That is awesome. That's really good. So continue on. Okay, we can now do another mission. And I think the other mission is going to have to be Modular Space Station 2. This is going to be expensive, one would imagine. The Cavant 1, 75%. I can't give it another crew member, which sucks, so just build it as is. Build payload, yep, that was 3 million, 3 and a bit million to build. Right, the Saturn X will be complete in 1 month. Golden record offer. Your agency has been approached by a major record label about the time capsule intended for your upcoming mission, the Grand Tour. They wish to include several of their artist songs on the Golden record and are willing to pay 100k for the opportunity. Gained 1 million. That's nice. Space telescope vehicle is now complete. Launch preparations. Right, set a training focus to improve mission performance. Yes. Wait, this payload is 90% reliable. That's good. So do science then, because I want science. Right, continue that then. Go in January. Get me 20% extra science. Right, confirm mission. Go to solar system. And then we've got the launch life support test, which is our space shuttle. So we will do that in the next episode. And then I'm really going to have to find something that gives us money. We're going to have to find a lucrative mission because we're burning through money at a phenomenal rate. This is all science. Maybe something at Mars? Nope. That's all science. I suppose science is good, but we need to keep funding stuff. Right, so there is a mission out to Uranus. That obviously is going to take a long time. So do I want to do something that is sort of cheaper? What here? I mean, boosting relations with the Americans would probably be good. A rendezvous attempt. I can't actually do it because I've got too much missions on the go. But we'll leave it there for that episode. As always, if you did watch this and you would like to leave a like, comment or dislike, please feel free to do so. And if there is more you would like to see in the future, then hit that subscribe button. I've been Danny Boy, this has been Mars Horizon, and I will catch you later.